welcome to our next video, and today is very sadly our travel day back to the UK. So I spent this morning packing up a condo, took all the rubbish out, ready to leave this beautiful place. Although currently filming this now, it's 4 months, but by the time this video goes out, it shouldn't be too far away before we're coming back out again. And the next time we come out, it's going to be an interesting one because our contract with our management company will have ended, and they are going to come in and remove certain items that they provide for the condo, for renting out. And then me and Matt are going to have to do a big shopping list to replace the items that's theirs. We're also going to be getting a brand new fridge freezer when we next come out in September. In September, our next trip, we are going to be here for an entire month, and we absolutely cannot wait. The longest stay we've ever done in Florida is 3 weeks, and from this September, it's going to be 4 weeks. But we will have a lot to do when we come out of here for a month. Like I said, a management company are going to be taking a lot of items that we have to replace for ourselves, including the door lock, which we have got to buy a new door lock, fit it, replace it, and hand the management company's door lock back in. So that'll be an interesting set of videos because we've not had to experience leaving a management company before. And it'll just be all for us then, won't it?
It will, yeah. Not have to worry about putting stuff away or anything like that, because we'll be the next people in it. So yeah, can't wait.
And the only people.
Yeah, can't wait.
Speaking about our next trip in September, we have got 2 day tickets booked for Epic Universe. So we will be going back there in September twice. And also we will be doing Halloween Horror Nights, which I think we might be doing twice as well. Matt?
Yeah, that sounds really good.
Matt agrees, I think.
Yeah, that'll be really good.
And obviously, in our trip in September, we will be doing all the Disney parks, all the Universal parks, because we are annual pass holders for both of them. And obviously, there's things that we didn't manage to get done in this week here. We had to cram in so much in just 7 days. 2 of them days was Epic Universe, so we really only had a few days. And 2
of them were travel days as well.
Yeah.
So you take that into account, then yeah, we've got a lot done in quite a small amount of time.
We've crammed a lot in a matter of just a few days, so we're really pleased with what we've managed to get done. Yeah. Obviously, some things have been a sacrifice, like we couldn't make it to Animal Kingdom. We couldn't get on all the rides that we wanted to in this holiday, but it doesn't matter because we'll be coming out here for an entire month. Every time I say that, I can't quite believe that we're actually doing that. No, it's going to be insane to be here for an entire month.
Yeah, and we'll get to, because it's Halloween season, spooky season, we'll get to see Disney all trimmed up for Halloween, and obviously
there'll be loads of going off.
Yeah,
loads going off in September, and your birthday.
Oh yeah.
And in September, we'll finally get a big Star Wars poster to go there. Oh, we need to sort that out.
Yeah, we'll sort that out.
It's mine and Matt's bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Oh, I don't want to leave.
I think it's thundering. No, I don't want to leave either.
We hate it, don't we?
Yeah, it's the worst bit.
Absolutely hate it. Hate leaving. I'm just walking around doing a final check. This is the Harry Potter room, my mum and dad's bedroom. So obviously it's been Matt, it's not even been touched in here. And this is Joe's room, my brother. Obviously it was the kids' room, but from September, when we next come back, it won't be. Oh, update on the, just reminded me, update on the broken blinds is, if you've watched the video, we said about some damage that we had found when we arrived, which we didn't know about. And our management company, they are going to replace those blinds when we leave. And also a fridge with a missing whole missing shelf that's been ripped off and cracked and damaged. He says that there's nothing they can do about that because of the age of the fridge. So nothing we can do about that, but the fridge will be going in September anyway. I'd be peed off if we weren't going rid of the fridge.
Yeah.
Really peed off.
It is as old as the condo, so it's original supply. That's why they can't get parts for it anymore. But functionally, it works.
There's still nothing
fine.
wrong with it.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it, but we are planning on replacing it. So, but that's not until we're the only people that are going to be using it. Yeah, because we've learned that people can't be trusted to look after new appliances. So.
Although the only thing that is broken is that Matt turned off the ice maker whilst we was here and it still makes ice.
I think I might have fixed that now though. So, yeah, bit of messing about, but I think it's finally stopped making ice. The freezer was full of ice when we came in one night after being out. So, yeah, it's not done that since.
I was just telling everybody whilst you was finishing getting stuff ready that in September is going to be an interesting trip because a management company is going to come in and take stuff that's theirs that they provide, and then we've got to go and obviously replace
all
the items that they take. All sorts of stuff that they're going to be taking.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what they want to take with them and what is ours to keep.
Well, we've been given a list, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've already asked for a list, so we've got it in black and white, just so that they don't go taking things that they shouldn't. Yeah,
so hopefully they stick to the list. If not, we'll have to have those discussions at the time.
And that's why we've timed it for September, for when our contract ends and it's finished, is because so that we're here when they come in taking stuff. So I'll come in. Can we imagine if we arranged it with our contract to end before we was here in September, and we walk in and half our stuff's gone.
Yeah, appliances have gone, furniture's gone, everything.
So it's thundering.
Yeah, it's took a turn for the worse by the looks of it, but hopefully not affect the flight.
God, it's gone so grey out there.
It's miserable now.
So miserable. I'd still stop in with the crap weather.
Oh yeah, definitely. It'll be bright sunshine again in 5 minutes.
Matt's wearing his brand new Epic Universe hat, Donkey Kong Country. I love hats that has stuff on the back as well.
Yeah.
Or the side, but I love the back. That's so cool.
Yeah, and this one shows that it was actually from Orlando as well, which
a
lot of the merch wasn't specific to a location. It was just Nintendo World, wasn't it? But
yeah, this hat specifically says Orlando. So cool. Right, that's it. Goodbye home. See you in a few months. I'm here for a month. Way.
No.
Bye, goodbye. It's not a bad day to go to the airport. It's absolutely wanging it down. And they keep thundering and lightning as well, doesn't it?
It does, yeah, it's awful.
On the plane, it's a full plane today. It took us 7 hours and 44. And if you watch a travel day video, it's the exact same films on the way back as they were on the way here.
Right, we're in this video here.
I want to say thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!